AC Square, a visualization tool to understand the architectural changes in Python projects. As many open source projects such as in GitHub are embracing faster release cycle, this leads to frequent changes in the system. Therefore, understanding the impact of these changes on the software architecture is important for the software stability. However, it is a challenging task for the development team to keep track of architecture changes for every release. Therefore, visualizing changes in the architecture for the repository having multiple releases is useful for maintainers and developers of the repository. We present AC Square, a visualization tool to comprehend architectural changes for Python projects. AC Square uses call and collaboration graph to show interaction between different architectural components such as functions and classes. AC Square takes the user input of the repository link, then AC Square retrieves tags and different versions of data of the repository and generate AST for different versions, which is then converted into 4 different views, that is directory view, call graph view, collaboration view, and integrated view. AC Square allows users to explore architectural changes in the releases such as addition and deletion of components, changed interaction between components, and comprehend the similarity between different releases using multiple metrics. Let us now look at the demonstration of AC Square. This is the front page of AC Square. The user has to paste the Python repository link. In the backend, different version data is extracted from the repository and it is converted into AST format. This process can be seen in the terminal. However, the process may take several minutes based on the repository size and the number of versions it has. After downloading and preprocessing the repository data, we will land to this page to see the architectural changes. At the left side of the page, you can see the directory structure of the repository. You can select any of the folders and go to the subfolders. Using back button, you can come back to the main directory structure. At the right side, we can see the directory view of the folder called mu. It is a by default view. If you want to see the directory view of another folder, click on that folder or subfolder and you can see the directory view. There is an option called view tab in which 4 different types of views are available, like the integrated view, collaboration view, and call graph view. If you want to see a particular view, select the particular subfolder, select the type of view that you want to see, zoom it, and you can see the interaction and different type of components that are available in the view. The above legends are available with different color codings to differentiate between the components. Similarly, you can go to see call graph view as well as integrated view. The views are generated using a library called vis.js. That this library allows to zoom in, zoom out of the graph. It allows to stretch the nodes and the edges, and by clicking on any one of the node you can identify the type of the component it is. If you want to compare two releases, go to a tag tab, select the versions. By default it will show the directory view. If you want to see a particular folder, go to that folder. Here the added and remove statistics will tell about the components that is added or deleted with respect to specific view. That is, in this case, the number of directories are added and deleted. If you change the view like integrated view, the statistic will differ. Also, AC Square also shows the statistic of with respect to each particular component. For example, function definition, class definition, function call, etc. It will show how much they are added and how much they are removed. And it will also show the similarity measures between two versions. Like for example, architectural similarity will tell about the number of directories and files which are similar in both the versions. Function similarity will tell us about the similarity between function calls and definitions. Class similarity deals with the class definitions, while module similarity deals with the similarity of modules between two versions. Thank you for watching.